Spanish video and MP3 lessons with Laura Garrido Eslava.
El verbo deber, must.
We are going to learn the verb must, el verbo deber. So when you want to say I must, you say yo debo. Yo debo. But you don't need to say the yo. So for example, if you want to say I must study, the second verb, you don't need to change the ending of it. So then you'll have to say debo estudiar. Debo estudiar. When you want to say you must, you'll say in a friendly way, tú debes. Tú debes. And it's not need to say the tú. So when you want to say, for example, you must work more, you'll say debes trabajar más. Debes trabajar más. And if you want to say this same thing but formal to one person, if it's just you must, you say Usted debe. Usted debe. But when you want to say you must work more, you'll say debe trabajar más. Debe trabajar más. Like before, you don't need to say the usted if you don't want to. When you want to say he must or she must, you'll say él or ella debe. Él or ella debe. So, for example, when you want to say Marta must go to Madrid, you'll say Marta debe ir a Madrid. Marta debe ir a Madrid. And when you want to say we must, you'll say Nosotros debemos. Nosotros debemos. And like with all the others, you don't need to say the nosotros if you don't want to. So when you want to say we must talk, you'll say debemos hablar. Debemos hablar. And when you want to say you must to a group of people in a friendly way, you'll say Vosotros debéis. Vosotros debéis. And you don't have to say the vosotros if you don't want to. So then if you say you must eat fish to a group of people, you'll have to say debéis comer pescado. Debéis comer pescado. And when you want to say you must to a group of people, but in a formal way, you'll say Ustedes deben. Ustedes deben. The ustedes is also optional. So if you want to say you must eat fish to a group of people in a formal way, you'll say deben comer pescado. Deben comer pescado. And when you want to say they must, you'll say ellos deben. Ellos deben. And the ellos is optional also. So when you want to say, for example, Marcos and Pablo must visit their parents, then you'll have to say Marcos y Pablo deben visitar a sus padres. Marcos y Pablo deben visitar a sus padres.